mabigat.
Ito lang mo, diba? Wala. Pag walang kita. Ayan.
Thank you, everyone. Hi, Oscar Ruiz. Good morning. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Oscar Ruiz.
Uy, ka.
Where are you from?
Diamond.
Top.
Wait, diamond.
Oh my God. What
Diamond.
happened to my top? Why I love it? USA. Where are you in the USA? Oscar Ruiz.
Yung mga bait ko.
Thank you for the thumbs up, Oscar. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Oh, maybe if I look in the window, maybe I have a boyfriend there. Because I have a... Hi, Golden. Welcome back. Hello. Nice tap. Ah, wow. Thank you. Thank you, Golden.
Ano yung donkey? Adi ko bun. Diyan.
How are you, Golden? It's a long time no here. Trying to get by everything expensive now. Why? Expensive? What expensive? iPhone 17. Very expensive. iPhone 17. You're going to dinner. Morning here. Maybe you are going to dinner.
Yan, sa mga crap.
Thank you. Thank you for the 4 million here. 4 million. Thank you so much.
Kwarta.
Later. Ah, okay. Here a lot more expensive.
Duwa lang ko.
Ah, okay. Like same here. Home,
Mumala niya ka kanina?
foods, like something like that. Expensive here. Food's expensive too.
Lagaw sa base.
Are you going to dinner later? Yeah, later. Food for 1 week, maybe
Mga pa din ito.
1 week, $200. Same here. Same here.
Salos ka na.
Just one people. Ah, just one people.
Go.
Ah, wow.
Drop mo. Drop.
That's expensive.
Ako go.
Maybe cost of living there is
Pariyo
expensive.
kami sa Mimbi. Ako wala. Oh.
Good morning, beautiful.
Ako
I'm
na,
in the
pinto siya.
USA. I'm your boyfriend. How are you? Where are you from? I'm from Philippines.
May pangbalong ako.
I'm from Philippines. I am a Filipina.
Sinayin ka video. Oh! Hello! Magbibili ka.
I need coffee. Hi guys. Your money is dollar or low? So no, not dollar. Money here is peso. $200 there, maybe a 10K. 10K.
Award ka na, makatanong kita.
10K, 10,000 pesos here. Love your damit, Insan. Ah, thank you, Insan. Tumataba na, Insan. Mataba na. Maganda talaga pag nasa ano eh. Maganda talaga kapag may peace of mind. Tumataba. Just
Uy,
need peace
Armor.
of mind. Stay healthy. Stay beautiful. Feel young and beautiful. We need to, we need to choose positive. That's it. Health is wealth. Oh, okay. So, big difference. Yeah, big difference. If I have a $2 here, I will pay my debt and save money. $200. Oh, wait. I will save money, yeah, and I pay the debt, and I buy home. Buy home.
Look, 2 shot lang ang wall. Okay, pwede mabuta ngayon yung sinabi.
My church dyan sa barrio today. No church today. Maybe if going to church at the,
Siya, kuya Karta.
at the town. Sa bayan. Gerald Stella. Hi, Gerald Stella. Gerald. Hello, Gerald. Where are you in USA, Oscar?
Kaya tanga niyo. Nawara na yung
Hi, manang pandesal mo, Kuya Gabs.
na po.
Here, I make
Nakita ano?
barely make rent and for food. Pa.
Ito, wala nakita ka.
Ah, you make rent home and for food pa. Ah, okay. Tama.
Ito, wala na kahoy.
Mag-rent ng bahay. Tapos, kakain pa. Everything went up. Yes. Same here.
Na. Aray, yung iswan.
Bill's is life. Oscar life is getting hard, right? Yeah. I feel you guys. Maybe nararamdaman ni Oscar Ruiz insan yung hirap ng buhay sa Amerika. Talagang sadyang mahirap talaga ang buhay sa Amerika. Life in America is difficult. That's it. Back then, 200 would be great for over 4 weeks. Sika, paano sa gaban? Ano sika?
Tay!
Gab. Cha. Thank you for the 6 million here.
Aray ko.
Oh, what?
Tusok.
Good. Life in America is good and bad. Why it's a good news? What is a good for America? And the bad is cost of living there is expensive. That's why maybe it's the bad. What is the good? Yes, inside inflation is too much right now. It's too high.
Hindi rin na
Too
naman.
much.
Hindi rin.
In America, that's why
Para
living
2 shot yun
there in
ako.
America is
Hindi ako
difficult
nakain.
now. That's why maybe.
Kaya ka dili. Pwede nga yung rupon.
Yes, before with our cart is full of food. Right now, oh my, not even half. Alan. Same here. I don't know what happened of the economics. Same here. That's why I wonder, what happens? Nangyari? But 1,000 when you buy something, just a few, just not too much food. Just kunti lang mabibiling pagkain.
Yadiyo? Dada ako.
Life is getting harder. Seeing now in multiple countries, life is more affordable than here. Ah, okay.
Eh, talaga na ito eh. Luha ko nga.
Yep. Work is different payment.
Izumbi pa nga yun.
Yeah, I feel that. Everything are high. Imagine before 1 dozen eggs are 99 cents. Now 1 dozen are $5. Oh my gulay. $5, 250 pesos, almost 300 pesos. Just 1 dozen. What happened in the country? The economy. I believe the dollar is going to drop a value. My God. That's why I don't know. Same here.
Ano mas matibay good do ayun.
Same here.
Ayun. Pagul.
Good morning, Cheryl. How are you doing? Hi, guys. I'm fine. How about you guys? How are you guys?
Grocery man lang yan, DJ. At bakal na DJ yun. Ano ka?
Mexico, big difference.
Hindi ako pa na.
Okay. Maybe better to live in Mexico. I'm fine. Thank you for asking, guys, for joining here. Yes, and son. Before, even 70 or 80 to 90 cents lang ang egg. Now, grabe, maiyak ka sa super expensive ng egg. Ay, ganito din. Alam mo, parang hindi mo ma-feel na province to eh. Na probinsya tong ano to. Kasi ang dami na rin ang bilihin. Ultimo hulay, lahat binibili na. Lahat bili. Wala nang hingi-hingi ngayon. Mahirap ang buhay. Magsikap ka. Magtrabaho ka. Parang gano'n. Paghirapan mo yan.
Pusa ka! Sagay pa, 1999.
Thank you for watching everyone.
Sagay na, paano gutom na ako? Gutuman.
Yes, and son, I got shocked.
May kwento.
Nung ako, wow, super mahal ng bilihin. Diyos mio. Ang
Gana,
5K mo, ubos na agad sa grocery. Tas ilan lang nabili mo. Tama, di ba? Nakakaano talaga dito. Grabe yung 5K. Kulang sa 1 week dito. 5K is not enough in 1 week. Grabe. Mahal ng bilihin. Yung fish, yung meat, aday.
Ano ito, manong?
Breakfast, snack, lunch, snack,
Hindi, right. Mas maudat pa bagay sa
dinner,
ano, gaya mo.
midnight snack. Bibili ka pa ng damit.
Naangkas
Yung
ka sa
mawala
ako.
sa bahay.
Drive-an. Daw.
Like,
Drive-an.
Wala na. Wala nang logo. Right, parang 3 days lang siya. Pulubi tayo niyan. Yes. Tama.
Nakikinang mo.
5 keys in 1 week. Very, you living in,
Ayun ka na. Tingnan ta.
quality living, pero hindi mo pa rin masasabi.
Sabihin mo. Bawal.
Siguro kapag kayo lang mag-ina, ganun, okay lang. Pero kapag sa isang pamilya, tapos ganyan, beautiful lips and eyes. What is your job, Oscar?
Rico.
What is your work? Construction. That's why you feel so very hard, difficult there. How many
Yung mga-
salary for being a construction there in America. It pay you every a day. What the ano? But still much better paying here in the US about food
Kaya
costs.
sa may
If you
buwag.
really don't have food, they have food bank to get bit anytime.
Bakal mo na.
Yeah. Dito walang libre. Walang libre. Parang nakakahiyang humingi ng tulong dito. Parang magmamakaawa ka, pipila ka ng pakahaba-haba. Ang dami pang proseso para makahingi ka ng tulong. May tanong, ang daming tanong. Aside sa magtatanong, they judge you a lot. So easy. My God. I don't like people judgmental. If magbibigay ka, di magbigay ka. So what?
Mamatay ka na.
Kung tutulong ka. Ganon, di ba? Kung wala kang maitulong, then sabihin, sorry, yung ahensya namin ay hindi tumutulong. Charot-charot lang po yung mga propaganda namin.
Kuha ko pagkaon.
Construction fee more, Mr. Oscar, right? I think construction there is skilled worker. That's why they pay more.
Oh, zombie man ako. Napot, payawira ko niya na doon. Kita lang. Sabo ko nga. Kita lang. Bakit na mamatay siya ha? Mag-brown. Zombie naman.
Oo nga, insan mahirap nga sa atin humingi. Here, we have food stamp, food bank, and etc. That will be possible help you. And have also housing too. Wow, that's great. Yung housing lang eh. Siguro, yung housing is give help sa mga sa tao. Kasi di ba? Yun yung bahay ang hirap i-afford, lalo na kapag walang-wala ka. Sa mga homeless. I want to, that's why I need to work hard to having a good big dream house. My dream house. Yarn. Oh, maybe that's why I'm looking at the window. Maybe it's have a boyfriend here. Oh, boyfriend, where are you? Because I'm just looking at the window. I have a boyfriend. Now, where are you? Oh my God! Shut up! What the fuck? Yes, housing government will help you, but lahat may proseso. At least, kahit may proseso, at least yung government is willing to help. Hindi yung palakasan. Dito, palakasan. Kung hindi ka malakas, kung wala kang kapit, wala. Laglag ka.
Pero na ba yung kwarta mo?
Yes, some did.
Pero man. Ako, kwarta.
Pray somewhere in your heart you always stay.
Dilalaga pa.
Without you.
Lord, nakita ka ako.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Go. Yakart. May shop ka lang. Ay, tada ako nagkakada. Wala mo pa kasal. Sa katiri. Or nang dayak mo. Ay. Parang dahil mo. Sabi. Ano? Ako yoga. Ato kita dito ko yung kata. Lumod pa ako ng chest.
Pagtingin ka sa akin. Hi, beautiful Cheryl. Hi, Donnie. October na insan. October is Christmas is coming.
Night is coming.
Oo nga, October na. Nothing, something change. Thank you, Donnie. Malapit na ang pagbabago. Some changes in my life.
Ay,
That's fine.
nagkatuka pa no. May lason, yun dan, nalason ako. Dinalason
I
ako.
will be fine.
Ako, wala na pati ang chill. Ikaw yun na. Wala na ang chill da.
Real life. Real talk, real life.
Daw, nag-unay. Ito.
Christmas time is coming. Merry Christmas, Donnie. Advance.
Ako na lang, kuya. Ako na ako. Ano siya? Diyan, ito. Kawan. Pagkaralat ko na. Duman doon. Yakot. Agad-agad ko na nakakatawa. Yakot.
Parol yang sa likod mo. Hindi, ano yan?
Napantay ko
Ano, sa pangtali sa kortina. Yung sa oo. Hindi, yung parang ganon. Yun. Hindi siya parol. I'm looking at the window. Maybe my boyfriend is here. My God, so bad.
Ngayon ka rin ang alaga.
Ang ganda. Ang
Hindi
ganda
na
nga.
makabukas, Kuya Kurt. Madalang daw. Yan, ano talaga yun mo? Hindi. Marisit, malig mo na ako. Ano ako, ito.
But love, this is a message. I'm just outside. Okay. What are you doing there, Donnie?
Nasa hindi na hindi nagigatong. Iko. Pero lasik ang kwarta. Di ba nang sinasunod ko ng gaya? Hindi mo. Ito naman, Kuya Kurt. Kuya Kurt, ang balis ng mga sumbi.
To see you. Okay, where are you here on the side? Can you here?
Kuya Kurt, ang balis ng
Oh my
sumbi.
God,
Makadang.
Can you near here, close here on the window?
Rico, gayat. Asan mo yun eh? Dito talaga sa mga.
Hi, Harley. Hello, Harley. Hello, my beautiful friend. Hi, Harley. How are you, Harley? I remember so well. Into my life. doing really good. Thank you. And how are you doing? I'm just finished the Zumba, going live.
Pagkakakalito kaya kayo.
I'm outside in the USA, lol. Okay. And why you do look so sad?
Look!
I look so sad. Oh, maybe I'm just stressed since last night. Stressed since last night.
Mas dumating pa ko.
But I will be fine. I will be fine.
Kontrolan. Ano ko lakad?
Ga, paluwaya man. Kaya nakaano ako. Hoy, paluwaya daw niyo yun. Hoy, hoy. You look so beautiful. Thank you, Donnie. Where are your family, Donnie? Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my God.
Mama,
Taratil.
na. Paling ka.
Sarado mo ang pinto, ha? Pandara na electric pa. Niyan.
Lang. Amay na.
Hindi na. Sus man puro maninayan mo.
Kuran, tas may electric pang ka.
Ako. Kung nabo mo ako. Huwag na yada ka makuryente ka. Ang salita.
Ay, thank ko.
Aray ko. Aray ko. Gagang sa aking galaw.
Uy! Yan, takawatan ako. Lalalita at larala. Ito.
Tralalilo, tralala,
Lalita.
chutakini, chupata.
Mga
My
babae.
daughter lives pretty close to me here. Ah, okay. Sorry. 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 Sorry, guys. I just burped.
Ikiyot, takakawatan ako. Ano, mitik. Takakawat ako mitik.
How old your daughter? How old your daughter? She have a family. My daughter lives pretty close to me here. Wow. Mommy.
Barbie. Krokodilo.
33. Your daughter is 33 years old. Oh my God. How old are you, Donnie? Yeah.
Ang hindi kasi ako. Ngayon lang nakabukas. Puro mitik. God. Mga kabrangkit. Nagawa na ako.
Oh my God, 49. Are you 49? Tapos, your daughter is 33? Oh my God. Oh my God. How old are you? Are you 17 years old? Being a father? 16, 17? Yeah. So young. What the fuck? 16, yeah, too young. How many kids do you have? Not too young. Oh my God.
Di ko.
You look like one. You look like a sister. Hi, Cheryl. Not moving much there today. Yeah. Hi, Mark. How are you?
Stay laughing.
Oh, man, salad. Na nanggagaling sa aming
Gaya na ako sa imo, Kuya Kurt.
one day in your life. I look 25. That's great. Yeah, good. Just chilling here. Thank you. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Mark, for joining.
Teko, bumbarbira ko na ko din. Teko, agad sa ito.
You look 25. Hope I see you.
Formas ka si Gab.
I wonder what it look like. Look like 25 years old.
Boom!
Weird.
Say, kauna pa lang? Ako, level 2 na ako. Level 1 ako na. Kada ka nga niya niyo. Ay, adiyo sa liyo. Rarambang lang, ha? Dah! Sana, lakabal yan, ha?
What is that? This?
800,000 pati yun, eh.
What? Blonde hair. Blue eyes. Ah, wow, that's great.
Bye-bye.
Hi.
Level na, naka na. Yo. Hala, buwan nga, hindi tayo charkat.
Hi, Mark. Can I know?
Uy,
I
thank you.
want to someone.
Hala,
I want someone
Narada
delete
ka daw.
some comments, but I can't delete. Maybe I need. Can you delete it?
uy, hala. Ano nga nag-leak dito?
Oh my God.
Boo!
Why no
Hala,
motivation there,
Wala
Cheryl? Hi, Five Flames. Hello, Five Flames.
hala na, hala.
Oh my God, who she is?
Level 5 na nga niya ako. Level 5? Sana all. Platong taman ikaw.
Hello,
Delete ko,
hi,
ano,
Oscar
yung video?
Wiz.
Ah.
Five Flames. I'm at work on a short break,
Loko.
dropping a thumb.
TikTok
Thank you,
naman,
Five
bata, sorry.
Flames. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys.
Gusto ko maka-level 5.
Like number 6. Thank you, Donnie.
Lo, radag naman. Lo, dali. Lo, daya.
Construction, yes, darling.
Yung mga kasampot ni John Lug pa to.
Construction pays good when you know at the trade
Lo,
the work. Ah, okay. If you know the trade the work.
lo, di nakakalung.
How old are you, Oscar? Do you have a family? Or that's why maybe
Ay, saan?
you feel difficult life because you need to support your family and when you get paid, it's not enough. Oh, 30. Oh, yeah. You need to work
Dito ng
hard
level 4 tulo.
to save
Yeah.
money.
Eh, ang ani, mangun niya ako dala na stock sa libo.
You feeling okay today? Yes, I'm feeling 18 years of knowledge. Yeah. Yeah. It's very
Hindi talaga.
difficult, but it's good. That is
No,
called
narod.
workouts.
Ay, di pa di man ako.
I'm good.
Hindi
5
nakatakas.
flames. Thank you, 5 flames.
Lo, easy man lang din. Dakaw?
No.
Di na. Lo. Le. Wala na, ulo.
I want
Yeah.
a Filipina girlfriend. You will be regret son because later you will say, oh my god, Filipina is crazy. Oh la la. Sorry insan, labada time. Sige lang insan. Take your time.
Yay, may 800,000. Oh,
Weekend is labada time.
bakit sa ulit?
Home time. Work at home.
Aday ko.
Your toes done.
Bakit sa ulit?
Do you know any available? I know available. I have friends here, single but not single. I mean single mother.
Bakit sa ulit?
They have kids.
Sa level 2. Tulad na lang ikaw dito. Di ko.
That's fine. Okay. Why you single, Donnie?
Di ko. Wait, may slot na ako. Di ba man sa level 3?
Oh my god.
Ikaw? O kanina pa nga, di ka wala. Mada, di pa nga nagpaparkor, mada. Eh, meron dito naman.
I'm a single color. Really?
Okay,
What do
makatripan ko na.
you
Hindi ako yakot. 1 minute
prepare
na yung kutidi.
for a woman?
Dapat,
What
ano,
type
minute.
of woman you like? I mean,
5 seconds lang dapat ini bago mo.
five lanes, LDRs are soft, especially if your girls is extra hot and everybody wants hair lulu.
Ito. Eh,
Huh?
yung ka na ko
It
yakot.
depends for the for the girlfriends.
Yakot. 9 minutes na ako. Ha? 9 minutes. Bibil na, ano ka na? Kawa. Ang kaparkor ka na? Oo. Jay, Doc, nagsabi ka. Dali na pa. Wala ko. Level 2 pa lang nga niya ako. Level 3. Ano na, nakaista? Ram na naghula ako dito. Yung na yung kulay green. Ayan. Lo, 1 hour na nga niya ako dito eh. Nasabi ka. Lo, ito pa naman. Marami.
Gabriel.
Sunod.
Yes. Filipinos are beautiful women. That's just what I heard.
Level 4 pa lang.
Beautiful woman, Philippines. I don't know. You still sleepy guys. Yeah.
Simon, sa'yo na lang munta ako.
Sleepy. Hindi ako makatulog kagabi. I think she didn't get enough sleep or it's that time. I don't know.
Hindi na ako kuya ka.
I not enough sleep last night. That's why. Yes, they are very beautiful. Why very beautiful? Why very? Ah,
Simon says.
sun, darating ang mga sali. I think Thailand is beautiful too. Town Fiesta, oh, na diba? Yes, Town Fiesta. But need money to buy to do that. That's why you need to stay at home. Need to stay at home. We have no karapatan. Extra beautiful. Sana all. Extra beautiful.
Edot, lumpatan tayo ni.
Extra beautiful. You guys didn't watch some concert or Paria? I missed the fiesta. Ano, I didn't watch.
Hindi ko.
Not yet.
Yay!
Not yet inside.
Ang gana.
Thank you, Danny.
Of course.
Hope you find Filipina woman.
Sarap na natang ulo.
Okay,
Hello,
God bless.
Ito.
Good luck. Gaya gap, patayo daw muna kayo. Napipinit ako tabi.
Sabi mo, kagaling ka.
Thank you sa nag-thumbs up, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Na. Ano gagawin? Diko. Ano ka? Ito. Lo. Lo, diri pa kita. Ano, nakauyag. Third lang ba ako? Third lang ako. Leo plant. Okay. Wala? 26. Okay. Kaya na kaya kahit. Wala ikaw? 141 lang ako. Hindi ako maara mag-play.
I think Filipina are attractive for many reasons.
Support na lang ba ako?
Thank you, 5 flames. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you for watching.
Lawson. Bang! Mhm. Ay, kabisik. Lo!
I have a bell.
Nag-iibi ako.
Ikaw.
Alam, support. Support lang ako. Ulit. Support lang good ako. Supaw!
Son, I gonna go. Need to sleep now. Church day tomorrow. Need to wake up early. Good night and have a great day to you all. Thank you, Insan. God bless. Thank you for joining.
Doing the
Thank you.
same.
Thank you for staying in my life. Thank you so
Dahil
much.
mayag na ka, mayag. Uy.
I still think it might be that
Nag-iibig good
time.
ako. Manda ako.
I
Kaya kay.
still think it might be that time.
11, 10,
Okay.
9,
Wait a
8,
minute. Stop.
7. Inayin ka. Nako. Yakart, pinahibig mo.
Aray.
Yakart, no, dyan, nag-iibig. Sana ako.
Something.
Sana si Chris Gibson.
It's not 5. She'll be hard. What?
Flying heads,
It's not.
okay.
I
Kaya
still
niya to.
think it
Hindi na ako
might be
nag-iibig.
the time.
Kahit ano yan ako nag-iibig. Uy, yan na.
The time.
At masalot
It's
ka.
not fine. She has really had her period. Period? What period?
Ito. Ay, bawal nga yan sa loob.
So, tarati.
Ito ko yun. Sabi niya,
Gab. Gab, paasaksak mo ng tabi. Kaya Gab, okay makuha ako tubig. Iba ka
Ay.
sa baba. Okay, may naman ako.
Uy, ako mama. Gardi ako.
Baba mo lang yung nasaksakan, kaya ako namasaksak. Tignan na kayo din ko.
Okay, maitumon man ini.
What, Tim? I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, what you talking about? I don't understand what you're talking about. Well, what time you talking about?
Wala, tapos.
Huh? What?
Nagbuo ka. Okay na good. Yeah, sure.
Huh? What are you talking about? What?
Yay. Tapos. Uy, gana ako.
It's 8,
Gana naman
8:48 p.m. 8:48 a.m. there.
Second.
A.m. here. Yes, 49.
Ayan, day,
8:49
that diri
p.m.
kasi yung radag. Boris Laba.
8:49.
Pagparadag.
Oh.
Mamay na sa lang istorm. Ano yung kaiti ko? Radag ako.
That much, I'm pretty sure of everything else. I don't know.
Ano, day ko?
Yes, I
Sa pa.
know. Yes, it's 49 now. 8:48.
Ang dagdag sa ro. Pero pag pag naradag,
What happened?
buwang bawas. Ano, ang binabawal ang diplo. Bawal ang, ayan. Lang kita nag-ano. 5 lang ito na ako. Alam, may nakadawag na sa ako. Top 3. 29 na lang good sa... Dali, kawat! Dito. Ala ka! Kapis! Ala ka, akong tuyo. Hindi ko. Ito naman, may na 7.
Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you po.
Hello.
Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. For some reason, you don't
Squid Game,
look
Squid
very
Game.
happy.
Hindi
Do
ko.
you have any plans today, Cheryl? Plans today? Plans today?
Ay, si Kuya Kurt, nagkiwag.
I don't know.
Aray.
What should I do?
Sana all.
I don't know what to do. Any suggestions?
Ano, lakatapos
Can
ka na sa
I
suso.
do what I want to do? Oh my god, my mind is,
0 lang dito nakuha.
I don't know. Just stay at home.
Lockdown!
Maybe I'm going to church.
Wait lang. Ulit.
Afternoon here. Because
Kuya Kurt, ulit.
don't
Dala kita.
don't have any plans either for when I get off work.
Diyan magaling.
Sure, what do you really want to do today?
Okay.
Sure, what do you really want to do
Bahala ka nila.
today? That's the good things about working all the time. I never had to worry about making plans. Yep. Never had to worry making plans. Like, if I work,
Cristiano yan eh.
work.
Ronaldo.
It's unplanned. Yeah.
Leonardo ang bandil. Yan. Sana ako.
I'm busy my mind to earn
Para
money.
ako ng coach.
How I earn money. What?
Maulit. Kaya, di naman, mga yung favorite ko. Okay. Tapos na kami. Okay. Wala ka sa akin. Okay, inimig ko na ako dito. Tapos, yay, ang shirt na lang. O, babae. Criminalera. Tulas ako. Tapos,
Ano?
ako na.
Kasi.
Uy, gana kita, guys. Ronaldo! Ronaldo ako. Mayang favorite ko man. Diko. Wala man yan.
Is that coffee? Yes,
Wala ka.
coffee. Let's coffee, guys. Let's drink a coffee. I am a coffee lover. That's why. Coffee with milk. It's a coffee.
Isa, naulit to. Ikaw man.
Here.
Pero, liso, naul. Lo. Ay, may maano din na ulod. At dapat naigo ka niya. Ala, day. Paano naniwala pa ka sa imo? Hello. Ano ko?
Salamat. Thank you.
Dami sa pagkakas sa akin.
Sarado man.
Second lang ako, 9
You
lang ako.
haven't even finished your coffee yet, girl. No wonder you haven't made plans.
25 na lang gud ako. Second.
Yeah. That's why.
Ano na yun, di? Up. Ikaw muna sa sila, mabak ko lang ako. Hindi ka. Gab, dala na. Ano, naman daw yun eh.
Wait lang. It's her third cup. She needs stronger coffee. Yeah, I need it. I get out of bed, but I never wake up until after my coffee is finished. Maybe fourth. Maybe fourth. Oh my god, then.
Oh, second lang ako. Inaano ako dito? Yuri. 29. Yuri man, ikaw na tagan ako. Dali ah. Ito, kukuhaan na ako. Ito, nag-iibi ako. Nakuha mo?
Cup of coffee.
Gert, ang Ronaldo ni Anagab. Yakart, tayong kakamari ka ko, Yakart. Muda. Yeah.
Have you ever had a monster coffee? I like the Minbin mocha. Never tried.
Gert, mo naman ah.
Never tried.
Di ang Ronaldo talaga.
Ang ganda, may pot na ako. I have a pot.
Dala, makuha na ako. Ay, bawal bangon ako. Uy! Tuwa na meron ko sabihin. Di ako nabandira. Boom.
The thing,
Iswat.
they have that.
Ano? Nauna pa rin.
The thing, they have that there. Huh? I think no.
Oh, wala ilan. Wala. Wala ako. Ay, wala.
And they are expensive. My advice is to stay away from the monster coffees. They are addictive. Ah, okay. That's why.
Yoy, bang, agad. Oh, madali. Oh. Madali ang panahon.
I drank the purple monster
Dali.
drink. I seen a Filipino drinker a monster before, but I don't know about the monster coffees.
Lubo! Anong kulay pink? Ang kulay pink! Ito na kulay pink! Ang kulay pink. Yan daw. Yan daw. Yan. Nice one. Talaga na tayo mo. Kaya na kayo.
I like the originals. Yep,
Ano yun?
original.
Ano kaya kayo? Oh, toilet. Mali. Hello. Ano, sabi ko na iba na lang. Oh. Ano? Mali.
The original black and green
Ito, may naka-encode na.
and the ultra are
Tama ka
what
pa.
I drink.
Ano, nakapaka? Dito ko. Kapasa mali. Madali mo ka na kung gusto ko din mo. Na. Julia, ranihan ko kanyara. Ranihan ko dito. Ikaw sa'yo mo ranihan.
Do they have
babae.
Monster Energy drink like I drink in the morning project?
Ikaw. Wala, Jerry ka pa dito. Dito ko na yung pinagana. Yan, para sabi ko ang kanya. Di ako. Saka mo sa ako. Bubo ko din eh. Dili ko sa kasar sa ako. Di ako zombie. Pero tali din sa ako. No. Ano? Kakagat ako. Bubukod ako. Di ko na ito oral. Ano ako doon? The winner is sumilita ako. Ako. Babayo ako. Ay. Diri ka din maradag. Alam! Alam! Inisipag pa na ako ninyo. No, gugulong ako ninyo. Gugulong ako.
Nag-chat? Anong nag-chat? Sino yan?
Naghanap ko din.
Sino nag-chat? Yan yung card. Card. Sa'yo mo yung nag-chat?
Here.
Naka na yung cellphone.
Okay.
Oo nga, sino nag-chat?
Ano natin? Uy, 35 na ngayon sa ako.
Wait. Wait.
Ready na? Wala ito na ako mapili. Naulit na. Si Lucy Ice. Lucy Ice yan. Di Kuya Kurt. Kuya Ram. Ang man lang. Lucy Ice. Ambot. Ay, laser eyes. Tumali ka dada. Ito. Yo, diretso. Sa gilid ka lang ha. Baka tayo. Ano? Ay, so, diktay ko na tahan. Ano? Gano'n ka? Ano? Kedua. Ay, kaya kartoy. Gano'n yan. At mala. Yari, kaya kartoy. Sumunta ka na. Yari ha. Yari. Salamat daw. Yeah. Ito na. Ada. Giro. Yadi ya. Ikaw na di sa nagba. O, ikaw ay dua. Sila, ikaw man na dua. Ako ikaw na. Uy. Kadua? Ay, kadua. Ano niya di? Kadua, tawaan na. Loko! Nagdada ko. Maglumpat ka. Ay, maglumpat yada. Kumain mo na. Wait lang. Paano?
Nandito kami ho kay Margo kung kami. Paano daw Kuya Gab, ang electric pa sabi.
Yan, at. Yan, may ito. Ito dito. Ito dito. Diyo. Dili man dala. Ito dito. Ito dito. Ano ito? Ito dito. Ito dito.
Ang alin dito,
Tapos,
alin dito.
inanap mo. Sabi ko pa rin yun.
Bye everyone. I need to take a nap. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you later. Next time.
Hello?
Bye. Love you all. Bye, Danny. Thank you, Danny, for joining my live. See you next live. Thank you so much.